guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and welcome back to my weekly B-boy tutorial. One of you viewers asking about this. So I think it's a great idea because not only Baby Freeze and Headstand is a basic in breakdancing, but by learning and mastering the transition between those two will really improve your B-boy game. Alright, but like always, if you love this channel, if you love my content, do subscribe and do hit the notification icon because I will upload videos every week, 2 videos every week. So by hitting the notification icon, it will get you notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright, so without further ado, let's go to the step 1. Step 1, you need to be able to do the Baby Freeze and Handstand pretty good. If you ever master those two, I'm gonna put the link up here and on the description below. Click it and learn it first, alright? Now after master those two moves, the second step is that you need to know when you're doing the handstand, your body is facing here, alright? It's straight line. But when you're doing Baby Freeze, it looks like this. So here's the thing, alright? When you do handstand, your body is aligned, okay? But when you do the Baby Freeze, your upper body is facing the camera, which means that when you do the transition, you should apply the same method. You can't just do the handstand to Baby Freeze by aligning your body in the same positions. Either you get hurt or you will be injured yourself pretty bad. So doing the handstand, and then when you go to Baby Freeze, your body should face the camera, or your upper body should face the camera. It's kind of you turn your upper body around, okay? This is something that you should never change. So the next thing is the position of your head on the ground. I'm gonna use this chair to help you guys. So if I do in a handstand here, which means that my head should be around here, okay? Yes. So I'm gonna put the chair here, okay? So you're gonna see yourself, okay? I'm gonna do a handstand here, and my head should be around this part. So when I'm going down, you can see my head is around this area here, okay? Do take note, when you're going down, you should place your head in a 45-degree positions, okay? So like I said earlier, do not do this when you do handstand. Your head is facing here, but when you do Baby Freeze, do not do or do not align your head or your Baby Freeze in the same position as your handstand. That's a very important thing, alright? That's something that you want to avoid. So when going down, you want to make sure that your head is 45-degree to the ground. Now the next move is your hand placement. Okay, when you put your hand on handstand, your finger is facing that way. Alright, when you go into the Baby Freeze, I will suggest you guys to turn your fingers facing back. Okay, this is optional. Some people can do Baby Freeze like this, no problem, but some people like me, I prefer facing my fingers out there. Okay, again, matter of preferences. That's why when you see people doing handstand to air chair, they kind of switch the position or the hand placement. Now I'm going to do the handstand to the Baby Freeze using all the tips that I told you guys earlier. Now the mistake that you want to avoid. I see a lot of people make this mistake. When I say a lot, I mean a lot of people, including myself. When you do the handstand and go into the Baby Freeze, there's always a fear of hitting your head on the ground, a fear of injury or anything. There's always a lot of things coming to my mind because of the fear. So get rid of the fear. I know it's easier said than done, but that is something you need to do, alright? Get rid of the fear. Don't think too much. Just apply the concept, the method, the technique that I told you guys. Everything will be alright. And you might hit your head the first few times, to be honest, alright, because you're still learning. But you want to prevent that, you can use a lot of things. You can wear a hat, you can wear a headgear, or some people even use a pillow on the ground and then they try to protect the head. So they put a pillow over here and then they do the handstand to Baby Freeze. And the head is touching the pillow. A lot of things that you can do, a lot of things that you can think of. Just try it out. This is the transitions from handstand to Baby Freeze that a lot of people do when they still not get used to it or they still fear. Alright, here's how it looks. The thing is, when you do it correctly, when you do it 45 degrees down, it is very light, alright? But again, you need to practice a lot and just use whatever you can, the pillow, the headgear, just try it out and everything will be alright, okay? So get rid of the fear slowly. I'm not saying that you're gonna get rid of fear immediately, you know, it's always easier said than done, but I've been there, so I know. Try it out, use whatever you can, and you're gonna eventually get the transitions. That's it for the tutorial. As you can see, even though you already mastered the Baby Freeze and handstand, there's still a lot of things that you need to work on, not only physical things but also psychological things, okay? But just take your time, chill, have fun with it, and let me know in the comment section below if there's anything you don't understand or you want to know more, okay? That's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.